Average and root mean square current or RMS current. So average current, we can simply say it is total charge divided by total time for half cycle. So in this case we will calculate it for half cycle, because for long period of time average AC current is always 0. And RMS current, it's the value of direct current that produces same heating effect in a resistor as is produced by a given AC when passed for equal time. So you can think like that if you pass an AC current for 10 minutes, so whatever heat is generated, if that heat is equal to you pass some DC current for 10 minutes also, then what shall be that value of DC current? That is RMS current of the AC source. So average AC current is total charge per unit time. So we are calculating it for half cycle. So half cycle means time period is pi by omega, because full time period is 2 pi by omega. So charge passed is integral I dt divided by time. I also we can write as I naught sine omega t, where I naught is E naught by R. So E naught is peak EMF and I naught in this case is peak current. So we'll substitute it at the end. That's why I've written here. So I average is integral I dt by time period. And for half cycle, so limits are 0 to pi by omega and total time is pi by omega. So just solve it and you are going to get it as 2 by pi times I naught. Now RMS current. So by definition, we can say that so again let's take a same time period as here, which is half cycle. Here is in reality it doesn't matter, you can take any time period. You can take half time period or full time period or 2 time periods, 2.5 time periods. It doesn't matter. So here, just for simplicity's sake and for sake of consistency, we have taken the same time period. So by definition, if IRMS is a DC current, then the power produced will be I square R into T is equal to integral of, this time it's AC, so I square R dt. Limits will be from 0 to pi by omega. So it's DC current, so it's independent of time. AC current is dependent on time. That's why we have put it inside the integral. So we solve it and we get this term. So mathematically we can write sine square omega t dt from 0 to pi by omega is pi by 2 omega. So you solve it and get E naught by R root 2. Which means, so again E naught by R I can replace by I naught. So I get IRMS is I naught by root 2. So these are the average and root mean square current for AC source.